Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Another good news from OpenCode that they are giving currently the free access of Qwen 3.6 plus again. And if you go to this their official desktop app, here you see Qwen 3.6 plus free model, and also the same model you will be able to see inside their CLI. So if I just write simply hi, and you will see that this model is also pretty fast and it has a thinking capability. You will get the response, and the same thing if I do inside this desktop app, just write simply hi and press enter. You will see that you will get the response back from this model. Okay, so this is the another great news that I wanted to share with you, because they have got some another more GPUs, and this is their round 2, and that's why they are giving this 3.6 plus model free access. And make sure that when you are choosing the model from this drop down, you are selecting this 3.6 plus free version. Okay, there are two things. One is this 3.6 plus, another one is this 3.6 plus free. So please choose this free option, and remember one thing, that this free model also have some limit. They have the 16-hour cooldown limit, so just remember that thing. And also today I released another video which is codex plus ollama integration. If you have not watched this video till now, please watch. And you can use any ollama model from cloud, or if it is installed in locally, you can use that inside codex directly. So please watch, it is totally unlimited AI coding setup. And if you are new to this channel and want to get this kind of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.